Home prices are back to all-time highs again in La Crescenta. Yes, you heard that right. We saw a huge jump in home appreciation in July and demand remains very strong. So what's the latest trend and happening in La Crescenta housing market? Let's dive in. All right, welcome back everyone. I'm James Yu with Think Real Estate. I'm a local realtor here in La Crescenta. First up, let's talk about home prices. If someone had asked me at the beginning of the year where I thought home prices would be in July, I don't think I could have predicted what just happened here. Because July marked another milestone as the average home price reached a record high of $1,492,000, surpassing the previous high of $1,483,000 recorded back in June of 2022. Can you believe it? This new record is an impressive 17% year-over-year appreciation and an 11% jump from just the previous month. Note that there were 3 homes that sold over $2 million, so we owe a little credit to those big sales for the reason behind this jump in home prices. The average price per square foot landed at $805 a square foot, pretty much on par with what we saw in July of last year and just last month. So what does that tell us? We are starting to see more larger homes coming on the market, indicating there is demand not just for starter homes, but also for mid to larger homes as well. Now let's talk about the pace of the market. The average days on market hit all-time low for the year at just 17 days, which is an indication demand is still very strong. Good homes that are represented and positioned well on the market are receiving multiple offers and selling quickly. However, I'm noticing more homes coming back on the market after falling out of escrow, and I think this is due to either buyers are overreaching for the house and getting cold feet, or not being realistic after doing their inspections. Now let's chat about inventory. This has been the topic throughout the year, and we've seen a slight uptick in new listings with 25 hitting the market in July. It's a positive sign that more sellers are feeling comfortable jumping into the mix. But let me be honest with you, we're still running about 20% below the general number of new listings we will see in a typical year. Now this is where it gets interesting. Closed sales experienced a significant drop, recording just 13 sales in July. This is a dramatic 60% drop compared to the 35 to 40 solds we typically see in this month. And we're still nowhere close to the normal activity due to the impact of many homeowners staying put in their current home with their low interest rates. So what's the big picture? Well, my friends, home prices are still on the rise, driven by strong demand and limited supply that just can't keep up. Unless we begin to see an increase in days on the market or sudden surge in inventory, it looks like this trend is here to stay. I could see a little bit of slowdown in home prices in the second half of this year due to seasonality. With that said, if you're a homeowner in La Crescenta and curious about how your home's value has changed in this current market, click on the home value link below to get the most up-to-date home valuation. And if you have any questions about the market or thinking about a move, I'm happy to chat anytime.